What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete. That's me. Today we're working on the shockless beam for the Manx clone build we're building here. You can follow along on our website as we do updates on this chassis we're building. 6-inch shockless that we did in a previous video. Today we're putting on these bad boys. So we're going with a 5-on-4.5 Ford bolt pattern with the 4-piston Wilwoods in red and all the accoutrement, and we're going to show it the install, and our client's going to love it as we're doing it right and you get to come along and watch. So enjoy the film, grab a brewski, a coffee, a water with bubbles, whatever you want, and let's get to it.
What you need to lend a helping hand when you wake up, just know that we're always there. And when you call, we'll answer you and always get you through. It don't matter where you go, cause we're always there. Through the fire, through the change, we ain't afraid, gonna be here every day. We walk the miles, make the space, take the time, never late. We do it right. Always on your side. 'Cause we do it right. Any place, anytime, we're always there. Rain or shine. 'Cause we do it right. Take the lead and let it set you free. Cause when you need someone to trust, we are always there. Set your goals, live your dreams, you can always lean on me. In blue skies are gray, we are always there. And through the fire, through the change, we ain't afraid, gonna be here every day. We walk the miles, make the space, take the time, never late. We do it right. Always on your side. 'Cause we do it right. Any place, anytime, we're always there. Rain or shine. 'Cause we do it right. We'll make you smile, smile, smile. We'll make you smile, smile, smile. We love it when you smile, smile, smile. We'll make you smile, smile, smile. We do it right.
Hey guys, I want to tell you about the promotion we're continuing in 2021, and that's giving away one of these ultimate beams to one of our subscribers who likes and comments on our videos. Once we hit 10K, we're at this number right here right now. Once we're at 10K, then we're going to randomly select a subscriber and make sure they've commented on one of the videos, and we're going to give it away for your Type 1 Beetle, Gia, Type 3 thing. That's what we're going to do, one of those bad boys right there. And you could be it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Now back to the film.
handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for a battle, 'cause you know that I was born for this. I was born for this. Baby, I was born for this. I was born for this. Never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for a battle, 'cause you know I was born. I tell you, I was born for this. Ain't nothing gonna stop me now. I've been tried and you know I've been tested, but I won't back down, no, I'll never surrender. I've seen the proof, I know the truth. This is what I was made to do.
You know what's badder than bad series breaks? B-roll.